Yeah, no one is trying to be mean. We are just asking this question. You understand, Anifa? This question. Ella is there. Welcome, Ella. How are you doing today? Alan, welcome. Guys, yay. So guys, yeah, I'll just set the rest of my face with the setting spray. That's all for our lip. That is all. So let me show you guys what I use, all the tools I use. Let me show you guys all the tools I use. So wait a little for this to dry. So while waiting for that to dry out, you know. So let me show you the tools I use. I use foundation. I use this, and I use this. This is the pencil I used to draw the brow, and this is the pencil I used to line my lip. This one I use liner. I use liner. I use liner, and I use this is the powder palette I use. Can you guys see it? Just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh god, I don't know how to show you. I don't know how to show you guys. Like, wait, see, how should I put it though? Okay. Okay, this is the moisturizer I use. 1. This is the mascara that I use, making 2. Liner 3. This one pencil 4. Foundation 5. And powder palette 6. So with 6 materials, I was able to achieve this. Okay, let me add my setting spray. Here's the setting spray that I use. So with these 7 tools, cool. Okay. So with these 7 tools, so I use these 7 tools to achieve this my look. So you don't have any excuses that it's because I don't have this, it's because I don't have that. That's why I'm unable to do my simple makeup tutorial, because this is, I call it simple makeup tutorial because this is very, very simple. You don't need see now. Can you see the, yeah, just these tools, with these tools. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Yeah. So with these 7 tools, I was able to achieve this. And for your lip, for your lip, like I said earlier, for your lip, you might choose to add gloss to it. You might choose to add gloss to it, or you leave it like that. This is matte. This is matte. So you might choose to add gloss to it if you want to. If you want to add gloss to it. Babala, welcome, Babala. Happiness, hello, happiness, and welcome. Thanks for joining the stream. David, hi, David. Jessica, hello. Hi, mamas. Don't call me mama. Do you understand? Do not call me mama. Do not call me mama, please. Thank you. So yeah, guys, I need to check my lash. I think this one is not in